I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. Oh, my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, and what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. My soul loves you.